Hey guys, good morning. I am actually in my salon. It's pretty early. See, it's still dark. Um, let's see. Right, I don't want to see y'all can see. It's starting to get light. But anyway, wanted to see if you guys wanted to watch me straighten my hair. This is the Burmese Curly by Yummy that I've had installed now for probably about a month. Probably about a month. So I was thinking, I want to see what it looked like straightened. I normally don't recommend that people straighten their curly weave, but I just want to experiment, and I feel like wearing straight hair. So, I could throw a wig on over top of it, but I'm just curious to see how it looks straightened. So, if you want to watch me straighten this hair, stay tuned.
So don't calm me down.
Whoop,
Yeah.
whoop.
Yeah. What? Is that not fair to say? This is
Okay, so this is it, guys. This is the 24-inch Burma Curly from Yummy Extensions. I have 2 bundles installed. I was curious about what it would look like if it was straightened. It still has a natural texture. So it still does have some texture. So it's not like silky straight. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It is a little thin, but I only have 2 bundles of the 24 installed, and it looks natural though. I mean, I can get away with it. So there you go, guys. You have a good day. I don't recommend you do this. I don't recommend it. However, I was curious. I wanted to see what it will look like straightened out. I did not straighten it bone straight. I will be washing it. That's why I went ahead and straightened it, because I'm about to wash it anyway. So I'll get back and let you guys know if it reverted back to its beautiful curl pattern. If it doesn't, I guess I'll be buying some more yummy hair. See you on the next one. Bye.